Brooke with WTI. Are you looking to hide some of that clutter underneath your bed? Well, look no further. I have Sleepwell's Ruffled Bed Skirt, and this one's fantastic. I appreciate how easy this was to set on the bed, and with the mattress covering it, it stays in place. I love that it's true to size. I have a full-size bed, and this fits like a glove. Even with the 12-inch drop from the bed frame to the ground, it's perfect. I love everything about this. The material is 100% microfiber, has kind of a sheer look to it, so I love that it's not catching debris or anything because of the sheer. Things tend to fall off, so it keeps my room looking really clean. This is my son's room actually, and when we have guests over, they stay here, and it's nice not to show off all of the sports equipment, everything that my son owns underneath the bed. This is really wonderful because you can wash it and dry it yourself. I do recommend following the instructions, and that helps with it maintaining that wrinkle-free look. After washing and drying this, there was no shrinkage. It still fit true to size. I like the ruffled look here. It gives it that tapestry appeal. And if you do want to show off the post, if you have like wooden bed frame, you certainly can. It has a slit, but like me, I just have the metal frame, so I like that the material comes up and over, so you definitely don't have to show off anything underneath your bed. So this is definitely the best addition for living a clean, clutter-free life and keeping our bedroom looking nice and just utilizing that space that we really do need. We love it, but that's just my point of view.